Have you ever ridden something that felt alive the moment you tossed a leg over it? Something that didn't try to impress you with headline-grabbing horsepower, gimmicky tech, or way too many modes? Something that just works. From your first ride to every ride after that? And right away, you'll know you're not dealing with just another scooter-powered commuter bike. This machine is meant to be ridden with intention, excitement, and joy. Forget what you think you know about 50 cubic centimeter motorcycles. The DT50R isn't about simmering along. It's about discovering how far a small but spirited engine can take you, both physically and emotionally. This is a bike designed for experience, not ego. Walk up to it and the first thing you notice is how purposeful it looks. Nothing overly flashy, nothing trying too hard, just lean, clean lines, purposeful stance, and a visual balance that suggests nimble agility. There's a confidence in that simplicity. A less is more approach that says, let's ride. Slide a leg over the seat and the welcoming ergonomics become obvious. The seat height feels manageable, not intimidating. Your feet meet the ground with confidence. The bike feels light between your legs. Like a partner, not a project. The handlebars fall naturally into your hands. Your posture is upright and relaxed. Everything about the DT50R feels right before the engine even starts. This bike doesn't ask you to adapt. It accommodates you. Now press the starter. The 2026 Yamaha DT50R comes alive with a sound that's calm yet eager. A tone that feels mechanical and pleasing, not artificial or tinny. The tiny 50 cubic centimeter engine doesn't roar, but it doesn't need to. What it does provide is smooth, usable power that rewards throttle control and smooth inputs. This is where the DT50R's design shines. Instead of chasing raw speed, Yamaha tuned this engine for momentum. It delivers torque gently and predictably, letting you learn throttle input, balance, and rhythm without ever feeling overwhelmed. The power delivery encourages patience and control, qualities that build confident riders, not frantic ones. In urban riding situations, this makes the DT50R feel surprisingly capable. You don't feel stressed when traffic compresses around you. You don't feel overwhelmed at junctions. The lightweight chassis, responsive brakes, and smooth throttle combine to make city traffic feel manageable. Even enjoyable, you zip through tight spaces, weave around stopped cars, and make tighter corners with ease. Parking feels effortless. U-turns feel stable. Slow speed balance feels intuitive. In traffic, you begin to realize this isn't just a small bike. It's a friendly bike. It doesn't fight you for control. It gives you confidence. But that's just the beginning. The DT50R's true magic appears the moment the streets open up, even if just slightly. When the road stretches out ahead, the engine settles into a gentle hum. You find a pace where the bike feels steady, not rushed. The suspension absorbs minor bumps, and the bike tracks predictably. You begin to notice the sensation every rider treasures. A sense of flow, of motion, that feels effortless. This is not about speed. It's about feeling connected to movement. Lean into a sweeping curve, and the bike responds predictably, not twitchily. Corrections are smooth, balance is natural, and every motion feels intuitive rather than forced. It's as if the bike understands what you want to do before you do it. There's no pressure to chase speed, just a calm confidence in the ride. And when the pavement ends, that's where this machine shines. Gravel paths, short dirt trails, uneven surfaces. The DT50R doesn't back down. The suspension absorbs imperfections quietly. The chassis stays composed, and the bike continues rolling without surprise. Standing on the pegs feels natural. Weight shifts remain instinctive. This is a bike that invites exploration, not confines you to smooth streets. Now, let's talk about what some riders might see as limitations. The DT50R isn't designed for high-speed highways. It's a 50 cubic centimeter motorcycle, built for skill, connection, and accessible fun, not speedruns. If you're looking for a blistering sport bike or a long-distance cruiser, that's not its mission. But here's the twist. The things it sacrifices in speed, it gains in character. Because the DT50R isn't about power overwhelm, It's about control empowerment. In fact, that's exactly why so many riders, beginners and veterans alike, fall in love with bikes like this. They make riding feel alive, not intimidating. They reward smooth inputs. They build rhythm and momentum. They teach you how to be a better rider. And yes, this bike is also incredibly fuel efficient. The 50 cubic centimeter engine sips fuel like a marathon runner conserves energy. Long rides between fill-ups become normal. Spontaneous detours become less about logistics and more about exploration. You start to notice that fuel economy isn't just cost-effective. It's liberating. Comfort is another pleasant surprise. The seat is supportive without being overly soft. Your position stays upright, reducing strain on your wrists and shoulders. Even after longer rides, you don't feel fatigued. That's a rare thing on a small motorcycle. But Yamaha has engineered this bike for endurance, not just short hops. Now, let's address tech. Or rather, the purposeful simplicity of it. This isn't a bike loaded with digital screens, complex modes, or endless electronics that distract you from the ride. The digital display is clean, readable, and focused. Speed, fuel level, trip data. Exactly what you need, and nothing that pulls your attention away from the road. Some riders might see that as a limitation. We see it as a feature. Because every time you don't have to look at a menu, you can look at the ride instead. Braking performance on the DT50R is calm and predictable. The bite feels smooth. The feel is intuitive. On both pavement and gravel, the brakes build confidence rather than panic. This is crucial when you're learning throttle control, balance, and line choice, all without fear of abrupt, jerky stopping power. And speaking of confidence, this bike teaches you something every ride. Smoothness matters more than speed. It teaches momentum, balance, posture, trail reading, throttle control, rhythm, and most importantly, confidence. It's no wonder that many riders remember their lightweight dual sport machines for decades. Not because of power, but because of feeling. Now imagine this. You're on a quiet country road at sunrise. The sky is soft orange. You twist the throttle gently. The bike hums. Gravel turns to dirt. Every bump, every shift feels intentional. You follow a trail into unknown territory. No rush, no pressure. Just motion. Just experience. Just joy. That's what the 2026 Yamaha DT 50R delivers. It doesn't shout. It communicates. It doesn't overwhelm. It supports. It doesn't complicate. It clarifies. Every ride feels personal. Every mile feels earned. Every route feels inviting. This is Acer Rider. Ride smooth. Ride aware. Ride with intention. Because the best motorcycles don't just take you places, they make you want to ride again tomorrow. Disclaimer. Some specifications, features, and interpretations in this script are generated or assisted by AI based on historical Yamaha DT models, motorcycle design principles, and expected industry direction. They may not reflect final official specifications released by Yamaha.